Sunlight and infrared light from the sun can offer several health benefits. While most discussions around sunlight focus on vitamin D and circadian rhythm regulation, infrared light, especially the near-infrared spectrum, has its own positive effects. Number 1. Enhanced blood circulation. Infrared light penetrates deeply into the skin, warming tissues and promoting vasodilation, the widening of blood vessels. This improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to cells, aiding in overall tissue health. Number 2. Pain relief and muscle relaxation. The warming effect of infrared radiation can soothe sore muscles and relieve joint stiffness. This is why infrared therapy is often used to alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and help with conditions such as arthritis or muscle strains. Number 3. Improved cellular function. Some studies suggest that infrared light can stimulate the mitochondria, the cell's energy producers, enhancing cellular repair and regeneration. This process may accelerate wound healing and support recovery from tissue damage. Number 4. Stress reduction. The gentle warmth provided by infrared exposure can promote relaxation and reduce stress, contributing to a general sense of well-being. Number 5. Skin health. By increasing blood flow and encouraging collagen production, infrared light may support skin health, improving elasticity and overall skin condition. Morning sunlight exposure offers several health benefits, including: Number 6. Vitamin D production. Sunlight helps your skin produce vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health, immune function, and overall well-being. Vitamin D is produced using cholesterol and hence, it will reduce cholesterol. Number 7. Circadian rhythm regulation. Exposure to natural light in the morning helps set your internal clock, leading to improved sleep quality and more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Number 8. Mood enhancement. Morning light boosts serotonin production, which can improve mood and help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Number 9. Improved sleep patterns. By resetting your circadian rhythm, morning sunlight can make it easier to fall asleep and maintain a healthy sleep cycle. Number 10. Potential blood pressure benefits. Some studies suggest that exposure to morning sunlight may help lower blood pressure by promoting the release of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax blood vessels. Remember, while morning sunlight can be beneficial, it's important to balance exposure with proper skin protection. Enjoying a brief morning walk or simply sitting by a sunny window can help you reap these benefits without overexposing your skin. A few considerations. While these benefits are promising, most of the research has been conducted in controlled settings or with targeted infrared therapies, like infrared saunas or LED treatments. The natural exposure from sunlight provides a balanced mix of light wavelengths, so it's important not to overdo it. Always balance sun exposure with appropriate skin protection, especially to avoid overexposure to other components of sunlight, like ultraviolet rays. In summary, moderate exposure to sunlight, which includes beneficial infrared light, can contribute to improved circulation, reduced pain, enhanced healing, and overall relaxation.